In this video, I'm going to show you how to copy text from image. So you can log in to google.com, and from there, click on the app launcher and select Drive. So on your Google Drive, you can now drag the image that you want to copy the text. So as you can see here, I already uploaded my image here. So all you have to do is right-click the image and open with Google Docs. And then when Google Docs open, you should see your original image file with the extracted text underneath it. So go ahead and copy the text and use it anywhere. You can also go to the File menu and download the text. You can also try these methods on Microsoft PowerToys and ShareX. Just go ahead and download it in your Microsoft App Store. And that's it, guys. I hope you find this video helpful. And if you do, please don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Thanks for watching.